cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Look, a big ship is getting ready for launching. They are lowering it into the water. The decks of the ship are even wide enough for cars to use. And here are some passengers. The cars are really looking forward to going on a sea voyage. All aboard, little cars. Raising the anchor. Starting the engines. The propellers are spinning. The ship is on its way. The red car has gone up to the captain's bridge. From here, the captain steers the ship. And the green car has located the lifeboats. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Purple car, careful, stop. It's dangerous to lean over the side of a ship. Let's take a better look at where we're heading. The weather's turning worse. There are icebergs ahead. We're going to crash. Turn the ship around. Oh no! The ice has broken through the port side. The ship is sinking. The cars are trying to get to the lifeboats. Don't forget to call for help. Quick, lower the lifeboats into the water. When they hit the water, the lifeboats inflate automatically. The rescue helicopters have heard the call for help. Their propellers start to spin. The helicopters are airborne. Jump, little cars, jump! Don't worry, red car. There's enough room for everyone. See the green car? Jump into its life raft. Well done. Now just wait for help to arrive. Hurrah! The rescue helicopters are here. The helicopters are lowering ropes and lifting the lifeboats into the air. Rescuing the ship will be much more difficult. It's big and very heavy. But 2 helicopters can handle it. Let's take the ship back to port. The helper cars will repair the ship there. Here they are. The truck has brought a lot of parts. The helicopters are flying the little cars to the garage. Now everyone is safe and sound. Thanks, rescue helicopters. It's good you arrived on time.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
What a beautiful day! The little racing cars are playing at the playground. The red car is bouncing on a trampoline. The purple car is swinging on the swing set. The yellow car goes up the lift and slides down the slide. Oh, what's going on? The ground under the trampoline is shaking. The slide is rocking. A huge crack opens up in the earth. It's an earthquake. Deep underground, huge plates are shifting. It's a good thing the earthquake was short, but now it's necessary to put things back in order. The slide needs to be set back right. And the swings. Everything that was tossed over in just a few seconds. The little cars can't do it on their own. Oh no! Even the ramp up to the garage was damaged, and part of the garage roof fell in. The garage doors won't open. A vehicle is stuck inside. Little cars, try to get the door to open. The yellow car wants to move the huge blue part. It's not strong enough. The red car goes for help. A crane truck is working at a construction site. It's very powerful and can lift heavy objects. Crane truck, can you help us, please? The crane truck raises its supports. It slowly turns and follows the red car to the helper car garage. To lift the heavy load without tipping over, the crane truck needs to put down its supports again. The crane truck rotates its crane and attaches to the load with its strong magnet. One part of the ramp is already in place. Let's put up the arch. Now the crane truck can drive up to the second floor. What's next? That's right, the crane truck puts down its supports and lifts the load. One part of the roof is in place. And the second one too. Great job, crane truck. Now, the helper cars can get out of the garage and go help out at the playground. The dump truck, the excavator, the bulldozer, and the crane truck are all going on the playground mission. The crack in the ground must be filled, and the swings and slides need to be set up properly. The dump truck pours gravel into the crack. These little stones will be covered with soil later. The crane truck flips the purple slide. The excavator covers the gravel with soil. The red car can turn over the seesaw all by itself. The bulldozer levels the ground that the earthquake pushed up. Hooray! The helper cars made everything as good as new. Now they can head back to their garage. Let's say goodbye to them. The helper cars need some rest in their garage because someone will need their help again.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Here's an entrance to a tunnel. The green arrow means you can go. The red cross sign stops the traffic. The cars are stopping now. The barrier's coming down. The monster truck doesn't want to wait. Hey, monster truck, stop! You can't go through a red light. On the other side of the tunnel, there's a log truck. It's waiting for its turn to pass. The green arrow comes on. The log truck is going to enter the tunnel. And inside, the monster truck is coming at full speed right towards it. Be careful, trucks! Log truck, slam on your brakes! The log truck is so heavy, it can't stop quickly. The logs went flying up in the air. What a terrible wreck! One of the logs went all the way through into the monster truck's cabin. We need to block traffic and send for help. A small red car is rushing off to bring help. It's going at full speed to the helper car's garage. Helper cars. Knock, knock, knock. Out of the garage comes a flatbed truck with a huge platform, a sweeper, a police car, and a manipulator. They are going to the accident scene. The police car is asking everyone to slowly come out of the tunnel. And now those that can't leave on their own need to be rescued. The helper cars are entering the tunnel. The manipulator is pulling the log out of the monster truck's window. The monster truck can no longer go anywhere on its own. The flatbed truck is taking it away. There's glass and motor oil left on the asphalt. The sweeper is putting things in order. Now the tunnel is cleared. The police car allows traffic to pass again. Here's the truck that was carrying the logs. It hasn't been damaged. Hold on, log truck. We'll load the logs that fell out in the accident back onto your bed. The manipulator is lifting the first log. And here's the second one. The monster truck has arrived at the salvage yard. Here they recycle damaged cars, so later they can make new ones from the metal. They squeeze the damaged parts together and then send them to the factory for recycling. Look, the monster truck has been turned into a metal cube. The helper cars did a great job. After such a difficult task, they deserve some rest.